Welcome back to my channel Vidya Abhyasa. Today we are going to do the last chapter of this book. That is Unit 4, Chapter 2, Anandi's Rainbow. After we finish this lesson, the book is over, children. Yes, let's begin. Chapter 2, Anandi's Rainbow. So look at the picture, children. When you see the picture, you get to know this is Anandi, and this entire story is something related about Anandi and rainbow. Okay, let's see what they have given. It was raining outside. Anandi was fast asleep, dreaming of rainbows. So it was raining outside, and Anandi had slept off, and she was dreaming of rainbows. Okay, she woke up to look out of her window. See, she woke up and suddenly she looked out of her window. There was a huge bright rainbow across a clear blue sky. So the rain had stopped and the sun had started shining, and there was a big bright rainbow across a clear blue sky. See here, can you see? Look at the colors, children, of rainbow. Who will not like rainbow? Everybody loves rainbow, right? Yes. Anandi ran out to the garden with Millie, her favorite cat. Millie is her favorite cat. Anandi loved to draw and paint. So she loved to draw and paint like you kids. Today she wanted to paint the flowers of her garden with the colors of the rainbow. So she wanted to paint the flowers of her garden, okay, with the colors of the rainbow. So this is just an imagination, children. Okay, you need to imagine, children, that what if you have a facility and a possibility to go and color the real flowers? Is it possible? No, but this is an imagination and just a beautiful one. Okay, so she wanted to paint the flowers of a garden with the colors of the rainbow. So which are the colors of the rainbow, children? Do you know that? We call it as Vibgayar. We call it as Vibgyor. We call it as Vibgayar. Vibgayar means the colors of the rainbow. Where I'll write it. V stands for violet. Violet. I stands for violet. Okay, this is violet. They have given violet here. I stands for indigo. This is indigo. B is for blue. Blue. G is for green. Green. Y is for yellow. O is for orange. See, yellow, orange, and R is for red. Last one is red. That is why it is called as Vibgayar. Okay? Yes. So, she knew about Vibgayar and she thought she'll go and color the flowers with all these colors. Okay? Let's see what she does in the next page. See here in the next page, all the colors, whatever is there in rainbow, she's painting it on flowers, right? Yes. She colored one flower with violet. I told you, right? Violet. And other with the indigo of the rainbow. This one. One with the blue and leaves with the green. So one more flower, she did it with blue, and leaves and all, she did it with green. Okay. One with orange, yes. One with red. But she left the yellow so that the sun may look bright and gay. So, yellow she didn't do it because sun was giving that color, yellow. Bright and gay. What do you mean by bright and gay, children? That means it is bright and colorful. Bright and gay is nothing but bright and colorful. Okay, it's just shining, something like that. Okay, yes. So yellow is given by sun. So she didn't do that color. And lo, there were beautiful flowers all over the garden. So once she finished, she said, oh wow, something. And lo means, oh wow, look at the garden. It is so beautiful. It is full of different colors. The sun was up there shining in its yellow glory. See, the sun was shining up in its yellow color. After giving colors to the flowers and the sun, the rainbow was gone. So, once Anandi finished the coloring of same color as rainbow, the rainbow was gone because all the colors came into flowers, right? Yes, children. Let us speak. Have you seen a rainbow? Children, I'm sure everyone would have seen a rainbow. So we'll write yes. When did you see it? So when will you see it usually, children? You usually see rainbow when it's raining as well as it's sunny. There's sun one side and there's raining, and you'll find rainbow that time, okay? So, okay. Where did you see it? Obviously, in the sky. So when did you see it? Sometime in the afternoon, maybe, or evening. What is the color of the sky during sunrise and sunset? What is the color of the sky, children? It will usually be orange, right? Yes. Orange, yellow, mixed. Yes. Go outside and look at the sky. Do you see the clouds? Yes. What shapes do you see in the clouds? Draw what you see in the clouds. So, children, here they are asking us to draw a cloud. You have seen clouds, right? So, in this space, we need to draw a cloud, okay? Clouds will always be in different shapes, no, children? Yeah, it is not like one standard shape. So, we'll just write one. Yeah, one cloud just to complement it. I'm just writing this. Okay, so this is a cloud. Children, you can also draw in this space. Okay, watch the sky at sunrise, sunset, and at night. Share your experience with the class. Yes, children, you need to observe all these things. It will be very beautiful to see. And just think how it looks in sunrise and how it looks at sunset and how it looks at night. And you yourself just think first, wow, what is the difference? What are the differences between these three? Then discuss with your friends or in the class. Let's go to the next page. Let us write. Write about yourself. Children, this exercise you have to do it by yourself. My name is, I'm dash years old. I study in dash school. My favorite color is dash. I like dash. This you need to fill up by yourself, okay? Now, color the Indian flag. Let's begin coloring, children. Yes, children, we finished coloring the Indian flag. Okay? Yes, children, by this we come to an end of this chapter and end of this book. We have completed all the chapters in the textbook. Now we have the same thing to be done in workbook, which I'll be just doing it in the same video. Okay? Yes, children. If you like my teaching, please give a like and subscribe to my channel. Yes, children, now we are going to continue with the same chapter but in workbook, okay? Yes. Anandi's Rainbow. Reading time. Read the given passage on rainbow and answer the questions that follow. A rainbow is made of 7 colors. Can you see here, children? It is made up of 7 colors. As I said before, it is made up of violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. Rainbows are seen in the sky after heavy rains. The first color of the rainbow is violet. The last color in the rainbow is red. Some people say that there is a pot of gold at the end of the rainbow. Yes, children, few people say there is a pot of gold at the end of the rainbow. Okay, let's see what are the questions are. How many colors are there in rainbow? How many colors are there in the rainbow, children? There are. So we'll write there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. SEVEN colors in a rainbow. Okay, full stop. When do we see a rainbow? When do we see a rainbow? It's given in this passage, right? Rainbows are seen in the sky after heavy rains. So we'll write we see a rainbow after heavy rains. HEAVY, heavy rains. What do you mean by heavy rains, children? Lord and Lord, it's going to rain, no? Very much. Yes. Which is the first color of the rainbow? So, which is the first color of the rainbow? The first color of the rainbow is violet. So, the first color of rainbow is indigo. Sorry, violet. 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 Which is the last color of the rainbow? The last color in the rainbow is red. So, the last color of the rainbow is red. Okay? If you had to name the rainbow, what would you call it? Children, what would you call it? If you had to give a name to the rainbow. Yes, I would tell colorful rays. Probably I would have given this name. So you think of a name and write it, children. Okay, let's go to the next page. Fun time. Let's have some fun. Color the rainbow and flowers. Wow, it's such a beautiful picture. Let's begin coloring, children. Yes, children, we completed the coloring. Yes, let's go to the next page. Say it aloud. Beautiful, asleep, bright, violet, indigo, yellow, glory, shining. Writing time. Practice writing. So children, write it cleanly. B-R-I-G-H-T. Bright. B-R-I-G-H-T. B-R-I-G-H-T. Next, glory. G-L-O-R-Y. 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 Flower. F-L-O-W-E-R. Flower. F-L-O-W-E-R. F-L-O-W-E-R. Yellow. Y-E-L-L-O-W. Y-E-L-L-O-W. Children, I am not able to write it properly, the last word, because it's the last page, no? It's a bit slant. So the lines are going little cross. Yes. Frame sentences. Children, with these words, we need to frame sentences. Frame sentences. Beautiful. So, from the word beautiful, we need to frame sentence, children. Yes. The garden has beautiful flowers. Full stop. Children, underline the word beautiful because we have used from the given word, no, and made the sentence. So, okay. Next, rainbow. A rainbow has 7 colors. Full stop. Underline rainbow. Okay. Next, gray. Gray, it's a color. The pen I'm using, right? This is gray. So the sky looks gray today. Bright. The sun shines very bright. Okay. Stop. Full stop. And underline the word gray here. Underline the word bright here. Yes, children. By this we come to an end of this chapter and end of the syllabus. Okay. If you like my teaching for class 1 English Mridang, Please give a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you all. Bye.